Hi guys, I'm sitting down here and I'm going to start editing this video. This is a video of me remodeling the bathroom in the last house I bought. And so I don't want to put together a 30-minute video or something like that, so I'm going to break it up into little 5 to 7 minute videos. I don't know how many there'll be, but I will just put them, the title of them will be Bathroom Remodel 1, Bathroom Remodel number 2, and so on till I get you all the way through the remodeling of this bathroom from start to finish. So I'm going to put it together and here it goes. Well, I've got 2 coats on everything in the whole house. It's taken us about 5.5 gallons of paint to paint and trim everything out. So that is done. House is looking good. Now I'm going to take this out. This may be in a new way of plumbing, not sure. Just to black tape the pipes. But I'm going to redo all that and hard pipe it. I guess one of the hard things for me to undo is, you know, to do away with this kind of plumbing. I mean, you don't see plumbing with black tape that very often to hold a pipe, you know, on, and I sure hate to do away with that. I'm gonna take this stuff out. Sorry about that. Hope you're okay. We'll transform this bathroom. I like having a nice bathroom and a nice kitchen in my houses. Sure. Those are 2 things, you know, people enjoy. Now we're ready to take the rest of that board off. Well, as you see, we've got some bad places right there where water was getting through. This is all in kind of bad shape. So, I'm going to take this stuff off of the walls right here. This got to come off too. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's one of the downfalls with the Milwaukee blade. It pulls out. See there? it'll pull completely out. See there? I didn't even push the button. Milwaukee has a faulty knife. Well, I found out what the problem is with this. Looks like they wedged it in from the back side with this, and there is no support there. That's for that to mount on right there. DeWalt hammer. Now then, I wound up undoing it here, putting a brass clamp fitting there. That way I just got one solid pipe, only two fittings. So it's solid now. The DeWalt light's very handy. Got this lay stuff on it, hang stuff on it.